Hello students, we are studying French Revolution. Today we will study the topic the abolition of slavery. What is the meaning of slavery? Slavery means buying and selling of human beings and force them for bonded labor. Now this slavery is abolished from the world, but earlier a flourished trade was practiced. This was known as a slave trade. Means human beings were bought and sold and they were forced to work in plantation in other area. We will study this topic in the reference of France. Otherwise, this slave trade was totally very flourished in whole Europe. Why slave trade was started? We are studying in the reference of France only. Why slave trade was started? Why there was a need of slave trade? Now we will study. France had three colonies in Caribbean region of America. In America, there is an area which is known as a Caribbean region, and this area is very hot also. France was having three colonies in this region. Now, what is the meaning of colony? I will give an example that India was the colony of British. In the same way, France was having three colonies in Caribbean region. The colonies were Martinique, Guadeloupe, and Saint Domingo. These three were the colonies of France in Caribbean region. Plantation of tobacco, indigo, coffee, and sugarcane were done in these colonies. The France was having three colonies, and in these three colonies, France was doing the plantation of tobacco, indigo, coffee, and sugarcane. European did not want to go for work at unfamiliar land. For this plantation, France needed lot of labor. France needed lot of workers to do work in this plantation area. If France would hire workers from Europe, it was very tough. First thing was that European did not want to go for work at unfamiliar land because this Caribbean region was very hot and European countries were cold area and people were afraid to go in that unfamiliar land. And if anybody is ready, he demanded lot of money. So it was very tough for France to hire workers from Europe. So, to fulfill the demands of workers in plantation, a triangular slave trade was started between Europe, Africa, and America, where Negroes were sold and bought. So, to fulfill the demand in this plantation area, France needed lot of worker. France could not hire workers from Europe, so he needed workers to do work in their plantation area. So, what happened? To fulfill the demand of workers in plantation, a triangular slave trade was started. A slave trade was started. Why it was called triangular? Because it was started between three continents Europe, Africa, and America. That's why it is called a triangular slave trade where Negroes were sold and bought. Now, who were the Negroes? Negroes were indigenous people of Africa. The local people of Africa, which were having a black color, curly hair, you have seen, I'm sure that you have seen these Negroes. So, Negroes were the indigenous people of Africa. So, in the slave trade, who were bought and sold? The Negroes were sold and bought. These Negroes were found in the region of Africa. So, from Africa, these Negroes were sold and bought, and they were sent to America for work in plantation. So, this why there is need of trade of slave to fulfill the demands of workers in plantation. A triangular slave trade was started. Now, next we will study about the slave trade in the reference of France. The slave trade began in 17th century. The slave trade was began in 17th century. How the slave trade was done? French merchant traveled to Africa at the ports Bordeaux and Nantes and bought slaves from local chieftain or agent. Now French merchant from Europe traveled to Africa and there were two ports Bordeaux and Nantes. These two ports were flourished for the slave trade. Here, slave trade was so much flourished. So, French merchant traveled from Europe and came to Africa. The port Bordeaux and Nantes and bought slaves from local chieftain. There were local agents and local chieftains were there, and they bought slaves from Bordeaux and Nantes port. Slaves were packed tightly into ship. Now slaves were packed. The word packed is used that he was packed as a thing. They were packed in a small room of a ship, and they had to cross Atlantic Ocean, and after 3 month long voyage they reached to Caribbean. Now the slaves were packed in the ship from the port of Bordeaux and Nantes. Now they were sent to Caribbean region. They had to cross the ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and there were 3 month long voyage. Voyage means sea journey. The journey by ship is known as a voyage. Now they had to spend 3 months in this long journey, and they were not free. The slaves were not free. They were tightly packed in a small room. In a small room, so many slaves had to live for 3 months. What happened? Many slaves were died also. There there they were sold to plantation owner. When they reached to Caribbean region, these slaves were sold to plantation owner. So this was the slave trade. It was very panic. The condition of slaves were not was not good. Now what happened? The Jacobin Club, which formed the convention government, we have studied that Jacobin Club formed the government. It was known as a convention. The Jacobin Club Convention in 1794 abolished slavery. In 1794, Jacobin government abolished slavery. All the slaves became free, but this was short term of only 10 years. But the slavery was abolished in France only for 10 years, because in 1804 Napoleon Bonaparte reintroduced slavery in 1804. In 1794, Jacobin Club uh, abolished the slavery, but when Napoleon became the dictator of the France in 1804, slavery was reintroduced. He started slavery again. Slavery was finally abolished in 1848 in France colonies. Finally, slavery was abolished in 1848 in French colonies. This was the slave trade of France. Thank you.